Solve the system by graphing. Graph each equation using the coordinate grid on the right. The first equation in the system is y equals x plus 8. The second equation, y is equal to minus x minus 2. What is the solution to the system? Well, when we solve a system by graphing, what we do is we sketch each of the two lines and we determine the point at which the two lines intersect each other. So let's start off with the first equation. The first equation is y is equal to x plus 8. So one technique would be to just make a small table of values. So we'll pick some x values and then determine the corresponding y values. We might try a negative value like -2, and then try 0 and +2, get 3 points, and then draw the line that passes through those 2 points or 3 points. So -2 plus 8 is equal to 6. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8, and 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So on our graph, we'll first of all plot the point -2, +6, then the point 0, 8, and then the point 2, 10. And then we draw the line that passes through those 3 points. An alternative way to graph the line would have been to recognize that it was in slope-intercept form. The 8 would be our y-intercept. Notice that the line crosses the y-axis at 8. The slope is the coefficient of x. It's not written down, but it's understood to be +1, and 1 can be thought of as 1 over 1. So if we rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1, then we get to other points that are on the line. Let's go ahead and sketch a graph of the second line. The second line is y is equal to -x minus 2. So again, one strategy would be to make a table of values for the second line. We use the same values of x, -2, 0, and 2. We first of all get the opposite of -2 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. When we let x be 0, we get the opposite of 0, which is 0 minus 2, which is -2. And when x is equal to 2, we get the opposite of 2, which is -2 minus 2, and the result is -4. So we can plot the point -2, 0, 0, -2, and 2, -4. And once we have 3 points, then we can draw the line that passes through those 3 points. And again, an alternative method for graphing the line would have been to locate the y-intercept, which is -2. Notice that the line crosses the y-axis at -2. And then the slope is the coefficient of x, which in this case is -1. So thinking of -1 as -1 over +1, we could go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, and that would give us other points on the line. Now, since we're trying to solve the system, we want to find the points that these two lines have in common. So we need to locate the point of intersection. So the point where the two lines cross is right here. We want to estimate the coordinates of that point of intersection. Well, it looks like they intersect at when x is -5 and the y value is 3. So this point appears to be -5, +3. Now, to double check to see if this is the solution to the system, we can just substitute the coordinates of this point into each of the two equations. So let's check the result just to see, is that really the solution? So we substitute 3 for y in the first equation and -5 for x. Is 3 equal to -5 plus 8? Yes, it is. So the first equation checks out. Now let's try the second equation. Substitute 3 for y. Substitute -5 for x. Is 3 equal to the opposite of -5 minus 2? Well, the opposite of -5 is 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So yes, that checks out as well. The solution to the system is the ordered pair -5, 3. You can also use your graphing calculator to help you to solve this type of exercise. Let me go over that process with you now. Okay, the first thing that you'll want to do is to go to y equals and enter the two equations into your calculator. So go to y equals and enter x plus 8 for y1 and minus x minus 2 for y2. Notice that for the minus and minus x, I use the negation key, which is right next to the decimal point, and for the subtraction, I use the subtraction key, which is right above addition. All right, after you've entered the equations into your calculator, you want a good viewing window. Let's go to Zoom and select Zoom Standard. We see that the two lines are graphed, and we can clearly see the point of intersection on the graph. So this is a good viewing window. What we need to do now is to find that point of intersection. And your calculator has a tool for finding the point of intersection. It's underneath the Calculate menu. So you want to hit Second and then Trace, and that will bring up Calculate. All right, well, what is it that we want to calculate? We want to calculate the point of intersection. So either scroll down to number 5 and press Enter, or just type in the number 5. And what you'll do next is to use your arrow key to scroll to the point of intersection. Make sure that the blinking cursor is right over top of the intersection point that you're trying to find. Once it is, then you'll go ahead and press Enter 3 times. The first time you press Enter selects the first curve, the second time you press Enter selects the second curve, and the third time locates the point of intersection. Once you see intersection at the bottom of the screen, you know that the process is done. It says the x value is -5, the y value is 3. The point of intersection is -5, 3, so the solution to the system is the ordered pair -5, 3.